Hi everybody, welcome back. It's me, Teresa Perrin. As promised in the last video, I was going to update you regarding the HLBZ insider buying. And guys, it is quite impressive. So let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice. This will be very short and to the point. If you could smash that like button for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, check out the other two videos I've done on HLBZ so far this weekend. The most important one is HLBZ Wheels, and that goes over the price action and other important things for this week. But I also did one on HLBZ Kitchen, which a lot of people do not know about. So check that one out as well. All right, now as far as insider ownership goes, there is 23.41% insider ownership, guys, which is very good and bullish as far as price action goes. It's not being affected as of yet. But guys, when this takes off, I think it's really going to fly. Clearly, they've been doing a lot of huge acquisitions and mergers and deals that just can't continue to go unnoticed despite how bad this market is. Now, on November 14th, we had two insider buys. If you saw my HLBZ Kitchen video, you saw that the CEO of the Keurig, or however you say that company's name is, his name is Giulio Profumo, and excuse me, I'm not Italian and I probably am not pronouncing this correctly, despite the fact I've been to Italy a couple times, guys. It is not my strong suit. But anyways, he purchased HLBZ as well as Salvatore Paglia. I don't know how to say that one right either, but our CEO of HLBZ also purchased more shares on November 14th. Now, if you briefly, before I go to show you the amount of shares, because for some reason it wouldn't all come up on my screen, so I had to do it in two separate little screenshots. However, if you look down while we have this page up, just look at how often all of these insider buyings for Salvatore have occurred. I mean, he bought a ton of stock in March, twice in March. He got it awarded it in March as well. In April, he purchased. There's two different filings. I'm not sure why, but for the same date, interestingly. He got warrants. No, he was awarded warrants, excuse me. Purchased again in June. So we have March, we have April, we have June, we have July. He made a purchase. August, he made a purchase. August again, he made another purchase. October, he made a purchase. And now November, he made a purchase. Guys, he is buying up his company, okay? Do you think that somebody is going to invest their own money in their company if they don't think they're getting a great deal? I want you to think about that, because this says a lot. He knows its value and he knows that it's cheap. He was buying it up. Look, back here when he made this purchase, it was 99 cents a share. He bought it at $3 a share. He bought it at $1.26 a share. I mean, this is $1.50 a share. Those are warrants that he was buying there for 14 cents apparently. But guys, he's buying this up, you know, at much higher prices. He bought some at 25 cents, 22 cents. His last purchase was at 22 cents. And the same with Giulio Profumo. Forgive me, please, if I'm slaughtering your names. It is not intentional by any means. But he purchased 51,498 shares at 22 cents. This was his first purchase. And again, look at, these are two insiders now that are buying. Salvatore purchased another 155,530 shares, guys, at 22 cents. Come on, this has to show you something. They're not going to be buying this up the way that they are and spending their hard-earned money if they don't think that this is undervalued. There's just no way they would ever do that. And guys, it's not like they made one buy. Salvatore's religiously purchasing this. And I mean, massive amounts of shares he's purchasing. Like, look at, he bought 1,144,175 shares at $1.50. And he bought 2,044,676 at 99 cents. I mean, that has to really tell you something. At $3, he bought 252,636 shares. At $1.26, he bought 79,365. In fact, all of these buys have been at much higher prices. Clearly, they're higher than what we're currently trading at. So, guys, what does this say to you? I just want you to process this. Think about it. Please think about the value that is in this company when you're making a decision as to whether or not you want to own it. I mean, things like this just make me scream, buy more. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Have a great night.